Hey guys, it's time for Dollar General's any day deals. Let's get to it. Of course, you know we cannot eat laundry detergent, so let's eat some food. Here you go. The Hot Pockets right here are 4 for $10 or $2.50 each. The sausage and egg cheese right here. Now those are the breakfast ones. They do have the lunch ones also. So let's get to that, and then I'm going to show you something else that's on sale. These Hot Pockets right here, my faves, are $4 for $10. Okay, so that's an awesome deal. But also, which makes them $2.50 each. Or you can go right here to the Totinos. That's $2.50 each, and you don't need a coupon. And then we're gonna come back here to the Light and Fit yogurt right here. It is $2. It is 90 cents. It's a coupon for it. 90 cents, and there is a 40-cent coupon, making that 50 cents. So grab your snack, ladies. Now the fries are 2 for $4 right here. Let me scan. Okay. They are originally $2.95, but they're on an instant 2 for $4. So that was an early activation probably. Hey guys, next we're gonna go to this wireless drink mix right here. It's $2.65, and when I scan it, it shows that it's $2.65, but it also shows me I have a $2 coupon when I buy 3. So hit that and claim that coupon. $2.65 times 3 is $7.95. Take your $2 away, paying $5.95. Divide that by 3, and you're going to pay $1.98 for a 16-pack of wireless drink mixes. I'd rather buy those for my boys than Kool-Aid. The Welch's drink mixes are 5 for $3. So let's scan it. 75 cents each, and then they're on sale 5 for $3. So if we go 3 divided by 5, they are 60 cents each once you do that deal. Okay, I'd rather grab this right here because they're $2.50 for the juice packs right here, with the 10 in the pack for $2.50. So I'd rather just grab those because it's a little cheaper deal. It'll probably last a little longer for my boys. They rather have soda, and I'm trying to hold them off from that. Okay, so the Eggo mini pancakes right here, they're 2 for $6. I knew something was 2 for $6. I was trying to see which ones it was. Wait, yeah, 2 for $6. Eggo pancakes or thick waffles. So if they have the thick waffles, which they do not, those are the ones I was going to grab. 2 for $6. They don't have the thick waffles. These are not included. You want to? You're not brand loyal? Those are $3 each. What I'm going to pick up, guys, is the regular Eggo pancakes. The regular size ones is 12 in each pack for $6 or $3 each. All right. And my cart is looking a mess at this point. Okay, over here, guys, we have some awesome deals right here. You have that $4 off when you buy 1 Pepsi and 1 Frito-Lay, and then you have $3 off when you buy 10. Now both of these are DG coupon. That means one or the other will apply. It depends on how you do your deal. So let's get a deal done. Do something a little different. Let's do a any day deal for beginners. Okay, less than $5. These are the items you're gonna grab. You're gonna pick up 1 Purex 29 load at $3.75. It's a $1.25 coupon. You're gonna pick up 1 of the Colgate toothbrushes at $5. It's a $4 coupon. You're going to pick up 1 Cascade Platinum Plus at $4.75. It's a $4 coupon. Then you're going to pick up 1 Febreze Small Space at $3.25. It is a $2.30 coupon. Now you should have 1, 2, 3, 4 items up in here, guys. We're going to scan each one. Now the internet is bad, so I will be showing you what I copied off, okay? What I screenshotted from my phone, because the internet in here is awful and it's not coming up like it should. Okay, so let's get to our first one. So okay, here we go. The Purex is $3.75, and they gave us a $1.25 coupon. The Febreze Small Space is $3.25. They gave us a $2.30 coupon. Now the Colgate Active Toothbrush is $5. Be careful, guys, because I clipped this $2 one before this $4 one came out, and now they both expire on the same day. So only clip the $4 one because that's the one with the highest value that we want. The Cascade is $4.75, and you have that high value coupon of $4 off Platinum Plus. They are really promoting and pushing this Cascade. Okay, so let's do the math, guys. Okay, and you have $3.25 for the small space, $4.75 for the Cascade, $5 for the toothbrush, and $3.75 for the Purex. Take you to $16.75. You're gonna take your $2.30 off the Febreze, your $4 off of the Cascade, your $4 off of the total toothbrush, and then your $1.25 off the Purex. Take you to $5.20. Okay, divide that by 4, $1.30 each. If you are doing a $5, you only have $5 to spend and some change. This is $1.30 for the Purex. So you have a detergent, you have a toothbrush, you have dish detergent, and a Febreze small space. Now, some people said they wasn't getting this because they didn't have a dishwasher. Guess what? Again, my sister, she have these hacks that she does. Drop this down in your dishwash water when it's hot, and this works just as fine, and you only need one. You don't even need to use other detergent. So people who don't have that, grab it anyway, because you still can use it. Okay, let's get to a deal you can integrate. Now, what if you didn't need something in here? Okay, so what if you didn't need the Purex? Take the Purex out, and you say you needed Scott tissue. So let's do the Scott tissue. Scott tissue is $3.50, and you have a $1 coupon. Let's do the math. $3.25 for the small space, $4.75 for the Cascade, $5 for a toothbrush, and $3.50 for the Scott tissue. Leave you at $16.50. Take your $2.30 off the small space. Take your $4 off the Cascade. Take your $4 off that toothbrush, and then take your $1 off of the Scott. $5.20. As you can see, it still leaves you at the same exact price. Divide that by 4, $1.30. So if you don't need the Purex and you need tissue instead, beginners, pick up the Scott tissue. You do not have to grab that, okay? So it's just a matter of doing the deals that you need, okay? Doing the deals that you need and what you need. But we are using high value coupons to lower the price of this, guys, okay? That's what you have to look at. We're using high value coupons to lower this price. All right, now this is one last deal I want to get to, and it's going to be on the, where is it? It's the it's the Prego. The Prego is spend $10, get $2 off. Now I'm going to pick up 3 of these. And you're going to pick up 1 Campbell's soup. I'm going to pick cream of mushroom because I needed this on Easter and didn't have it. So I'm going to pick up 1 of those to go with it, okay? Oh, here it is right here. You spend $10 and you save $2 on any of these products right here. Now, the Prego is included. If you look at it, it is right there for the Prego. Okay, so let's do the math on that. But this is a good deal for some spaghetti sauce. $3 for the Prego, and we bought 3. $9 plus $1.50 for the Campbell's. Take you to $10.50. We went over about 50 cents, and that's okay. You're going to take that $2 off, take you to $8.50, divide that by 4 product, $2.12. This is the takeaway in this one. You're going to pay $2.12 for this Prego right here, guys. Awesome deal. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Make sure you like, subscribe, share out this coupon count. Bye.